Hello everybody, my name is Ian Lamont, the founder of In 30 Minutes Guides, including Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes, available from in30minutes.com. Today we're going to be talking about how to create an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement, in Google Docs. And just a quick reminder, what I'm about to show you, this actually works in both Windows PCs and Mac OS using the Chrome browser. And then also, just a reminder, this is not legal advice. You are responsible for following the laws of your state or your country or your locality. And this is just general advice on how to use this feature of Google Docs. And basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using a pre-built NDA template within the Google Docs template gallery. If you don't see the template gallery when you come to Google Docs, and Google Docs, by the way, is docs.google.com, go to the main menu, click on that, select settings, and then make sure that display recent templates on home screens is visible, is checked off there, and then click OK. So you should see this at the top. You probably won't see the NDA template at the top, so just click on Template Gallery, and that will expand everything. And then you just have to scroll through and find it. And here it is, Mutual NDA by LegalZoom and DocuSign, and it says Add On. So just click on that, and it will open it up. And actually, this NDA, it's a standard NDA. It's not customized yet for your company or your situation. And just so you know, in NDA, these are useful if you want to make sure that somebody else doesn't disclose something, such as your company's trade secrets or some other important matter, and you want them to sign it, and through whatever agreement or negotiation, both parties have agreed to sign the NDA. And typically what would happen is, for an NDA, like if you're visiting, let's say, a company's laboratory, they might make you sign the NDA just so you cannot tell anybody else what you've seen. And the NDA is supposed to legally bind you to it. So anyways, while this thing is spinning, let's just take a quick look at what the NDA is. So there's some instructions on how to use it. For instance, it says delete the first page of instructions before using your template. Fields and brackets are placeholders for your information. So that could be your name, the other party's name, your company's name. This template is provided as is. Please consult your own legal counsel before use. That's a pretty important piece of advice. And then for more instructions, go to LegalZoom, and then there's a whole bunch of disclaimers here. And then once you get down to the mutual non-disclosure agreement, you can see what they're talking about. So the mutual non-disclosure agreement is between party one name, so that could be your name, say John Smith, the state that you live in, and then it keeps on going on with other fields that you have to fill out. Organization's name. There's some legal terms and clauses that you have to refer to. And so it basically, you go through this, and if there's anything in brackets, you're supposed to fill it out. And then once you're done with that, you have to print it out, and then you have to date it, sign it, title, etc. One thing that I usually do for Google Docs in general, once I've finished creating something, I'll either print it out, you just go to the print button, or I'll download it. So oftentimes I'll download it as a PDF, which is good for printing or good for sending via the mail. And the good things about PDFs is it's hard for people to alter them. Or a Microsoft Word document if I know the other person doesn't have Google Docs. So you go to File, Download, PDF document, or Microsoft Word .docx. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Docs, Google Drive, I've written a whole book about it. Go to in30minutes.com. You can find out more information about the book. My name is Ian Lamont. Thank you so much for watching.